Hare Krishna. Today's topic is Radha Tattva. Radharani is the internal potency of Sri Krishna. She is Parama Kalyankari, Bhadramayi, Mangalmayi, Pavan Kripa Pradayini, Krishna Prema Pradayini, Krishna Mana Bimohini, Ashta Shakhi Shiromani, Vrajvashi Churamani, Gopi Jana Shiramani, Srimati Radharani. So there are many tattvas in the Shastra, like the Jiva Tattva. It means, who am I? Who is mine? What is mine? What is my position? What are objects? Where do I come from? These are all included in Jiva Tattva. Then Maya Tattva. What is the material energy? Why and how it binds us? What is the illusion? When will I be freed from these bindings? This is Maya Tattva. Then Ishwar Tattva, who is the Supreme God, where and how he sleeps, he stays, he eats, he plays, he dresses, what is his nature and behavior and character. This is Ishwar Tattva. And in the mixture of these three tattvas comes Guru Tattva, Shiva Tattva, Nam Tattva, Dham Tattva, Bhakti Tattva, Rasha Tattva, Prem Tattva, and also Radha Tattva. So Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the Supreme Creator, the Supreme Enjoyer, the Supreme Proprietor. He is Sarva Karana Karanam, the cause of all causes. No one is equal to or greater than him. He says, Matta Parataram Nanyat Kinchid Asti Dhananjaya. Bhagavad Gita, he says to Arjuna, that no one can be equal to or greater than me. The 33 crore demigods are engaged in his service. They are singing his glories eternally. They are offering obeisances to him. They are serving him like servants. That is Sri Krishna's position. Sri Krishna is the most beautiful, the most powerful, wealthiest, most knowledgeable, most renouncing, most popular person in the whole creation. Everyone is actually his servant or his subordinate. You may believe it or not, you may accept it or not, but every living entity is Krishna's servant, is subordinate to Krishna. Jiver Swarup hoy Krishna Nityadas. That Krishna who is worshipped by awe and reverence by thousands and thousands of Lakshmis in Vrindavan. Lakshmi Sahasra Shata Shambhrama Shevyamalam Govindam Adipurusham. That primeval Lord Govinda, that Krishna worships Srimati Radharani. The Rig Veda says, Radha is that personality to whom Sri Krishna bows down and seeks the dust of her lotus feet. Again, Rig Veda says, Krishna is the personality of Godhead and Radha is Paraprakriti, the internal potency of Krishna. But there is no difference between them. Again, Hari Ardha Tanum Radha, Radhaya Ardha Tanu Harihi. The feminine form of Krishna is Radha and the masculine form of Radha is Krishna. The Brahma Vaivarta Puran says, when Radha is asked, who is Krishna? Radha was asked, who is Krishna? Radharani said, Mama eva paurusham rupam gopika manamohanam. So, Krishna is my masculine form. So, they are non-different. They have abhinna rupa. Again, Radhaya Madhave Naive Madhave Naiva Radhikaha. Without Radha, no Krishna. And without Krishna, there is no Radha. So they have abhinna swarup. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami in Chaitanya Charitamrita says, Radha Purna Shakti, Krishna Purna Shaktiman, Dui Vastu Bheda Nahi, Shastrera Praman. So Radharani is the actual reason of Krishna being Purna Shaktiman. Because she is Purna Shakti. So there is no difference between these two. If Krishna is sun, Radha is sunlight and heat and sunshine. If Krishna is moon, Radha is the pleasing moonshine. Without Radha, Krishna can't do anything. Because without power, powerful man can't do any activity. So Brahma Vaivarta Puran again says the meaning of the syllable Ra. राधते यया सा Radha, Radhai Aradhate Maya. Krishna says that person who in every moment, every situation, every place is selflessly worshipping me with pure, spotless love, Amala Shuddha Bhakti, Shuddha Prem, is Radharani. And that person whom I worship in every moment, every situation, and every place, selflessly with spotless love, purest love and affection, is Radharani. Shukadev Goswami, a pure devotee, when he used to chant the name of Radha once, he would faint for 6 months. Rukmini, Gopi, Rama, Satyabhama, Shri are all different names of Radha. All the Lakshmis of Vaikuntha and all the queens, 16,108 queens of Dwarka are all Radharani's expansions. There are 28 primary names of Radharani, but there are thousands of secondary names. And Srimad Bhagavatam is full of those secondary names. In Adi Puran, Krishna says to Arjuna, Trailokyam Prithivi Dhanya Tatra Vrindavana Puri Tatra Tu Gopika Partha Tatra Radha Vidha Mama. In 3 universes of material creation, Prithivi is the topmost resident. And in Prithivi, Vrindavan is the topmost residence. In Vrindavan, the gopis are the topmost residents. And amongst gopis is my Radharani. Yatra Radha Priya Vishnu Tasya Kundam Priyam Tatha Sarveshu Gopeshu Shevaika Vishnu Ratyanta Ballava. As Srimati Radharani is dearmost to Krishna, her kunda, her lake, Shri Radha Kunda is also Krishna's favorite place. Then Krishna says, Satyam Shatyam Punah Shatyam Shatyameva Punah Punah Vina Radha Prasadena Mat Prasado Na Lavyate. Are, this is the truth, this is the truth, this is the truth. Repeatedly I say, this is the truth, this is the truth. Krishna says, without the mercy of Radharani, no one gets me. Vina Radha Prasadena Mat Prasado Na Lavyate. So this is the glory of Srimati Radharani. Skanda Puran, Padma Puran also explains her glories. Narad Muni in Narad Bhakti Sutra says, Anirvachaniyam Radha Swarupam. It is impossible for me to describe Srimati Radharani's glories because limitless is her glories. Ever expanding ocean. Her glories are like an ocean with no boundaries because it's expanding every moment. So how to describe such a thing? Now we come to the benefits of uttering the word Radha. Ra uchcharana matrena yami shravana lobhataha daha shavda uchcharanam paschad dadami bhakti muttamam. If someone says Ra, Krishna says that he comes to him with the greed of Shravana or hearing. Krishna comes to him to hear, with the greed of hearing. And then if someone ends that with Dha, then Krishna says, I give that person Vraja Prem, love of Godhead, the most precious gift. Vyasdev speaks regarding the word Rama. Rakara Srimati Radha Makara Madhushudano Tvaya Vigraho Shamyogat Rama Nama Ithi Khilaha. So Ram means Srimati Radharani and Ma means Madhushudana. And when they come together, they become Rama. So it is the Jugal Murti. So we find this word Ram appears in our Mahamantra also. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Once some people asked Srila Prabhupada, so who is this Ram referred to? Is this Dasharathi Ram, Dasharath Nandan Ram, Parashuram or Balaram? Prabhupada said, Ram is all of them in Mahamantra, but the best meaning of Ram refers to Radha Raman, one who gives pleasure to Radharani, one who walks with Radharani, Sri Radha Raman Krishna. So that is Radharani. There is a deep secret in the Maha Mantra. As we know, transcendental union and transcendental separation are the two constituents in pure devotional service. Hara is Srimati Radharani, and when we say Hare Krishna, here Radha and Krishna meets, they are united. Then we say Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Here Radharani is in separation, and in separation she calls Krishna Krishna, and Krishna in separation calls Hare Hare. And then after separation they again meet. Then Krishna becomes Rama, Radharamana. Because he is not alone, he is now with Radharani. Therefore, Hare Rama, they are now united. Then again they are separated. And the Radharani tells, Rama, Rama. Krishna tells, Hare, Hare. So this is the deep secret of Maha Mantra. To understand this mode of Vipralamba Bhav, love in separation, Krishna comes as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Krishna comes as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, as a Yuga avatar of Kali Yuga, to understand Radha Tattva himself. Such is the glories of Srimati Radharani. Pushti Margi Bhakt Vittalacharya, one sannyasi, he says, Shama Shundara Shikhanda Shekhara Shmedhasha Murali Manohara Radhika Rashika Mam Kripa Nidhe Swapriya Charana Kinkarim Kuruhu. He is praying to Krishna, Hey Syam Sundar, Hey Shikhanda Shekhar, Hey Smedhash, Hey Murali Manohar. There is only one desire I have at your lotus feet. Swapriya Charana Kinkarim Kuru. Make me the servant of the lotus feet of your beloved Radhika. Prananatha Vrishabhanu Nandini Shri Mukhabjarashalola Shatpadaha Radhika Padatale Gritasthite Tvam Bhajami Rashikendra Shekhara. He says, O Prananath, I am worshipping you, chanting your names with only one desire in my heart. Please make me a dust at the lotus feet of Radharani. Harivansh Chandraji, a saint in Vrindavan, whose temple is the famous Radha Vallav Lal Mandir, he writes, Radha Shadhyam, Shadhanam Yasya Radha, Mantro Radha, Mantradhatri Cha Radha, Sarvam Radha, Jivanam Yasya Radha, Radha Radha Vachi, Kim Tasya Shesham. The goal of our sadhana is to reach the Radharani's lotus feet. And the process to go there is also the kripa coming from the Radha's lotus feet. Radha is in our chanting mantra, Hare Krishna. And that giver of that mantra is also the Guru who is coming in the Sampradaya of Radharani. Everything is Radha. My life is also Radha. In my tongue also Radha Radha Vachi is there. So what desire will not get fulfilled by taking these holy names of Radharani? Sanatan Goswami in Krishna Lilastav, he says, I will bow down only to Krishna, but chant the names of Radharani. Radha Radhita Radhesha Radhika Prana Vallabha Radha Ramana Vanditvam Radhika Prema Nirjita. Who is Krishna? Radha Aradhita, worshipped by Radharani. Radhesha, Ishwar of Radharani. Radhika Prana Vallava, the beloved of the life of Radharani. Radha Ramana, one who is pleased upon Radha. Radhika Prema Nirjita. Radhika Prema Nirjita. So one who is defeated by the Radharani's love. That is Krishna. Brihad Bhagavatamrita says that best devotee is Indra. Better than him is Brahma. Better than him is Shiva. Better than him is Prahlad. Still better than him is Hanuman. Better than him is Pandava. Better than them is Ugrashen. Better than him is Uddhava. Better than him are the Brajvasis. Better than them are the Braj Gopis. Better than them are Radharani. Better than them is Radharani. Better than her, no one in the past, present or future. We know devotion is done by staying under the shelter of a pure devotee. And the purest devotee is Radharani. Srila Prabhupada has spread this Radha Bhakti everywhere in this world. He had built so many temples, which see Krishna's names are different in those temples. Madana Mohana, Giridhari, Madhava, Govinda, Gopinath, Radhanath, different names in different temples, but the eternal constant name is Radha. Srila Prabhupada has spread this Vraja Bhakti. Srila Prabhupada has spread the signs of devotional service everywhere in this world. Now the residents of Vrindavan say that even one generation before there were not so many people coming to Vraj. But because Acharya Prabhupada's worldwide preaching, so many people come to Dham. Jiva Goswami says, Krishna dehe sthita Radha, Radha dehe sthito Harihi. Krishna gehe sthita Radha, Radha gehe sthito Harihi. Krishna prema mayi Radha, Radha prema mayo Harihi. Krishna shadravinam Radha, Radha yadravino Harihi. Neelambaradharo Radha, Pitambaradharo Harihi. Jivane nidhane nityam, Radha Krishna gatir mamaha. In my life or my death, Radha Krishna are my only goal. Prabodhananda Saraswati composed Radha Rasa Shudhanidhi, which contains nearly 300 verses glorifying Srimati Radharani. I will tell you one verse. Vaidagdha Sindhu, Anuraga Rashaika Sindhu, Vatsalya Sindhu, Atishandra Kripaika Sindhu, Lavanya Sindhu, Amrita Chavirupa Sindhu, Shri Radhika Spuratu me Hridikeli Sindhu. Yo Brahma Rudra Shruka Narada Bhishma Mukhyai Alakshito Nashahasha Purushasya Tasya Shadhyo Vashikarana Churnam Ananta Shaktim Radhika Charanarenu Anusmaramihi. Lord Brahma, Rudra, Shiva, etc., they don't get the darshan of Hari so easily. But to capture that Hari, there is one shortcut method. What is that? Just sprinkle the dust of Vraja on the head of Krishna. Why the dust of Vraja Vrindavan is so special? Because it contains the imprints of the lotus feet of Radharani. And to stay in that Vraj, Narad Muni becomes Naradi Gopi, Shiva becomes Gopishwar Mahadev, Uddhava becomes Grash, Brahma becomes Dangar, Mangar, Bhangar, Vilashkar. Such is the glories of Radharani and her residence place, Vrindavan. Raghunath Das Goswami says, Tavai Vashmi, na jivami tvaya binaha, iti vignayate vityam nayanam charanantikehe. O Radharani, I am your servant, I can't live without your service. Knowing this, O Devi, please call me at your service of your lotus feet. So many acharyas have flooded their literatures with Radha Bhakti, Radha Naam, Radha's glories. Our Bhakti Vinod Thakur says, Ramani Shiromani Vrishabhanu Nandini. Radharani is the topmost of the Vraja Gopis, of the beloved of Krishna. Then Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj says, Kothai go premamai Radhe Radhe, Ashtashakhi Shiromani Radhe Radhe, Krishna Mama Mohini, Krishna Mana Mohini Radhe Radhe. Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj used to chant the Mahamantra 2 to 3 lakh times every day. And along with that, he used to sing this bhajan only. So now we have got a hint of Radharani's glories. How to obtain Radha's mercy, how to get her mercy. In Chaitanya Chandramrita, Prabodhananda Saraswati says, Yatha yatha gaura padara vinde, vindeta bhaktim krita punya rashi. As much as we take the shelter of Sriman Mahaprabhu, that much mercy of Radharani is awakened for us. Again he says that if someone does not take shelter of Gauranga, then he won't get Radha Krishna. It is impossible without Gauranga's kripa, Gauranga's mercy. As much as we do Gaur Bhajan, that much attachment we develop in our heart for Radha Krishna. There is no other way to get Radha Krishna in this Kali Yuga. Now, how to obtain the mercy of Mahaprabhu? The answer is, we should not be lusty and we should not have material desires. That is the key to get the mercy of Mahaprabhu. But we see that in this stage we have material desires. We are not pure-hearted souls. We are contaminated. Then what? We are contaminated. How to obtain Mahaprabhu's mercy? Bhaja Nitai, Nitai, Nitai Bhaja Bhai. Daya karo Nitai more, Agotira Goti Nitai, Sadhu Loka bole. Nitai Pada Sada karo as. So to satisfy Mahaprabhu, we have to worship Nityananda Prabhu. To satisfy Nityananda Prabhu, we chant the Panchatattva mantra. Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. We read, we sing, and we spread the glories of Chaitanya Charitamrita to satisfy Nityananda Prabhu. To satisfy Nityananda Prabhu, we take the shelter of Sri Guru, a spiritual master coming in the parampara of Srimati Radharani. And under the guidance of him, we follow his instructions. That's how we get the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu. And to satisfy Mahaprabhu, we chant the Hare Krishna mantra. Thus, only by obtaining the mercy of Gaur Nitai. Gauranga is Mahaprabhu, Nitai is Nityananda Prabhu. By obtaining the mercy of Gaur Nitai only, we can get the mercy of Radha Krishna. Okay, with that I end here. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.